gas lawnmowers, I'm going to try and make them a thing of the past. Stick with me. Alright, so I said I was going to make gas lawnmowers a thing of the past. Well, some of them, not all of them. I'm still going to be able to, or have to drive my big Ford tractor. We've got 2 acres here. I got a big Ford tractor to mow some of it, and then I've got a riding mower to mow some of it, and then I have a push mower to do some of it. It's the push mower that's going to be no longer gas, and I'm kind of thankful for that because my riding mower and the push mower have given me nothing but headaches. Have to constantly clean out that carburetor because the gas got old and gummed it all up, and it's just not working. Every time I have to run that push mower, I have to clean it out. So the last time I tried cleaning it out, it cleaned out, ran for like 5 minutes at most, and then died on me again. Couldn't get it to run. So I've had enough of that headache. Let me show you what we got. Dun, da, da, da. Went to Lowe's today and got one of their Cobalt 80-volt self-propelled lawnmowers. So we're going to open it up, put it all together, and see how it does. Let's go. Alright, so I moved it off the tailgate to make it a little bit easier on myself. First thing I'm going to look for is those batteries and that charger. Found the charger. Found one battery. It comes with 2. Found our second battery. Let's get it on the charger and get it going while we set the rest of this thing up. Alright, so we got the first battery going on the charger. We're going to take this battery, put it off to the side for the time being while we set up the rest of this stuff. We got our chute if we're going to use the side chute and not mulch. Got our bag if we're going to bag it. I don't bag, I mulch. So I won't be needing the bag or the chute. Woohoo! Gotta love those. Alright, and then we've got our mower. There she is. Let's get these zip ties off of here. We don't need those. And then to release these handles, you pull, twist. So, of course you got your owner's manuals and what have you, but we're going to wait on that first battery to charge, and then we'll swap it out with the second battery, get it in here, and see what it does. While we wait, let's cue that B-roll. convinced, I'm not so sure yet. It did fairly well, but the battery didn't last very long. I think it lasted like 10-12 minutes. Maybe I didn't have it charged completely. I'm not quite sure. It seemed like it was completely charged. The battery's light stopped flashing, but the light on the charger didn't stop flashing. So I've got to look at that and see if maybe both have to stop flashing before it's completely charged. That could quite possibly be the case, because normally in battery chargers, the charger itself has a flashing light, and when it's done is when the battery's done. So, but other than that, it did, you saw the grass that I was cutting. I had big clumps of dried up grass left over from my tractor, and it handled those pretty well until it got close to the end of the battery, and then it started plugging up and you know, bogging down. Died a couple times, but other than that, it did fairly good. So if the battery issue or the battery lasts longer than 10-15 minutes, like it's supposed to, they say that out of both batteries that you get, you're supposed to be guaranteed 1 hour's worth of mowing. So what you're able to do is, when you're done with the first battery, you put it directly on the charger, and then you run the second battery, and by the time you've run out of battery on the second battery, the first battery is supposed to be charged so you can continually mow. I guess we'll see whether or not that's the case. I'll get back to you in another video after we've had it for a little while. If we don't get back to you, it's because I returned it within the 30 days, but I don't think so. I think we'll be pretty happy with it. We can always buy a third battery. The third battery is another $150, but you know, then you're guaranteed uninterrupted mowing, provided they last, you know, 20-25 minutes or so. But that's it for today. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.